I've always been praying for them since the inception of this thing. I've always been, number one, me never even got a court. I haven't even retained a lawyer. I don't even have a lawyer. Me not put no lawyer upon no case. That's the first thing I want everybody to know. Me not put no lawyer upon no case. Because me tell myself, say the God will me serve, I go give me justice. And I'm waiting for the justice system to give me justice. I God me I depend upon to give me my justice. And I leave it alone. I leave them alone. And I leave it alone. I don't talk about them. I don't go anywhere and mention them. I just leave them alone. No. Me not speak his spokey sis. And I the truth. Me leave them alone. Me not trouble nobody. Me try to mind my own business. Me try to focus on my picnic when in a hospital. 9 months we going and Kaylan still in the hospital. And them something me I talk about. Several times me get death threats. Me go to the police. Me report these things. Me not keep it to myself. And me make sure me come on social media can make you know say me I get the threats. Me not hide nothing. A $20 million over you way. If you go up there go check and me alone appear. Me alone them a come to for them money. Me alone. Me them a come to. Me them a come to for them money. Me. And me never put my picnic in a hospital. And me have to do it. Every day. Monday, Kaylan put in a pick line in and a $40,000 for the pick line. Every day me there pharmacy. Every day me a buy. Every day me a this. Every day me alone. Me no see none of them girl there. Mama, sister, brother, auntie, uncle. Nobody. Nobody na reach out to me and say, them a put $1. But you not have money for pay a man for kill me. The Gleaner put out an article last week sometime. Say, Kaylan lost her memory. The Gleaner put out an article sometime last week. Say Kaylan lost her memory. And based on that, I get to understand. So, oh, Kaylan lost her memory. So she can't give a statement. So, I'm here the problem. I'm here the problem. Me never remember who no. Me no see who no. And me no want nobody tell me for go on a station. Because me not go on a station again. Because I've been to the station on multiple occasions when me get threats. I know the first them I do it. And the first thing them talk, the first incident, them send come tell me, say me, for drop case and them will mind me of my picnic. And I say, no leave me alone. I'm a ball, I'm a grieve, I'm a go I'm a picnic bedside. I'm a picnic bedside, go ball to God. Them they all about, them I live free life, them they a dance, them they a party, them they everywhere same way. Kaylan lie down in the hospital. And our mama, me, the one where people tear down on social media, who not do nobody nothing, and me get the chastisement every day. Every day on the tear me down. Every day them chastise me and class me and call me all kind of nastiness. Them call me everything that is bad. And me are the one when not trouble nobody. Me are the one where just I try to take care of my youth as best as me can. And me if you walk and look over my shoulder every minute, Me can't live in peace. The same police tell me say me fi change my vehicle because of them tell me say them ear threats. And me fi change my vehicle. And me sell the piece of old car. And beg borrow. The first money me get and my sister send it from England come give me. And people make it seem as if I'm me are the problem. As if I'm me are the problem. Me not get no $50 million. Me not get no $10 million. Me not get no bag of money. What is the problem? Can't I live my life in peace? Wanna beat me, pick me, and say a 9-time Kaylan heart stop. 9 times. Me angry right now. Because according to them, I'm me are the problem. And if in the streets, then me I go dead. Because I'm me I pressure the case. Me not even go to court. Where the police there? Mr. Champagne, me I ask you, please to tell your client them say, me not even come to court. Please to tell your client them say, I have no control over this situation. Number one, it happened while Kaylan was still a minor. It's in the hands of the justice system. I cannot drop no charge. Me can't drop no charge. Leave me alone. Me no want nobody kill me over what me no know about, cause me never dead there. I am tired. Last week, Friday gone. When you don't hear me say prayer, me post it on Facebook and me post it on Instagram and me say prayer. And everybody jump on it and start prayer. Me pick not even wake up. She wasn't waking up. I mean, I said nothing. Me just hold it and go pray. And I'm me on one kill. Me we are pray for no. Me, we are say God. Me, the one will leave everything in the hands. And suppose me did first at the first instance, me did jump up and say me I go take justice in my hand. Nobody now look upon that. And them girl at their party. I mean, I see nobody I report them, say them their party. And when them know for they are Kingston, them they are Kingston. All I report them. But you don't see me every day if you chastise me. Me we are go about my business. Me we are mind my own business. Me we are look after my picnic. We're still up on a ventilator going 9 months. We can't come out of ICU. And the millions of dollars we are pile up. Only no sister, you can pay off some of the hospital bill. But you can't find money to pay a bad man to come kill me. Me when I look pound no. Me when I trouble no. Me when I walking on the way. Me leave you alone. And you still a take set for me. Me leave you alone and you still a take set for me. Won't take set for me for. Won't threaten me for? Won't send that threat for? Won't want to kill me for? Me not have no money. The money done. The money finish. So when me have phone you want? You can't go retain big liar. Me have message in my phone where the boy say, a big liar them up on the case, a easy 1, 2, 3. And when me present these things to the police, them say them can't use it in a statement. Because it's second hand. And the person who send the message have to give permission. You understand? So no evidence when me come up with me can't use. But yet still, them are going to tell me something. Be careful when me step on social media. Go away from me. Me not to post Kaylan on social media. Me not to go away from me. Call me not there on my side. You not with me. You not fight for me. You not fight for my picnic. Because she did a mind her own business. I stand up by yourself and mind her own business. I don't like how people look pound. And then now you want to come kill me. You beat down my penny to near death. And now you want to come kill me. But that station how much time go make report. Me now make no more reports. My cup full. Me tired of uno. Me tired of uno. Me tired. Me right, yes sir? Me tired. What we have police for? What we have justice system for? What we have ministers for? What we have lion? What we have all of them people here for? What purpose them serve? If we can't, what the case a drought so long for? She's still in the hospital 9 months. Why not wait for death? Because obviously I must wait and I wait for her for dead. At the first me I go get upset from when you know me till now. At the first. But when them people I go talk about them I go kill me. And I did the first them say, but me really reach a point right now when me tired. And the truth. Me tired. Oh, me I become a problem to anybody else so. That me want to know. One direction me look. Me no look pan people. Me make sure me drive way out of the way. Me make sure me go far from you know. Me make sure me stay far. Cause me say me no want have nothing to do with these people. Cause them a demon. They are human demons. Everyone me got people that tell me to watch myself. Why me to watch myself for? Why should I be watching myself? Me not a thief. Every dollar will come here to me, it come legally. Me make sure me go into the bank them. And me say me I set up the account them allocated for Kaylan funds. So the account them are being watched. Me can't spend nothing all time. Me can't go buy a big fridge. And me can't go buy a big car outside. And me can't buy nothing outside. Me have to hustle my own money to do it. Anything me want to do. Because the account is being watched. The bank them I watch the account. So me can't get relevant. So all I who feel to say me I use this and me I use that. I cannot do it. Come in a want to go to jail for fraud. Me no want to go jail for fraud. So me make sure me stay on the straight and the narrow. And me make sure me go down on my knee. And me pray every day. I pray to God. Me stay on the straight and the narrow. The one person where I do what is right in the situation, and I mean always I get the shit in the stick. And I mean the only person where I do the right thing. I am the only person doing the right thing, and I me always after I live in a stress. Why? Me need to pack up and left jump, me need to take Kaylan and Cheyenne and cut. And that me see I go on because me not gonna live in peace. Me not gonna ever get a chance to live. What this for? What do you want to kill me for? Me not have nothing. I beg. Only not see that. I want to create a problem. And none of you come forward all now and say sorry. You sit down proud and laugh and brag. The girl there in jail and she talk about say the last girl will run up on her. If them not say 1% she get and a jail she there. In a jail she talk that. And in there get problem, see you there in jail you still get problem. And you have to talk about the last girl because the last girl will run up on me get 1%. So a bragging, same way a braggings, all two they are braggings. Oh, killing me, I got help on no. Tell me. Me I wait for this. Me I listen for hear the answer. Oh, killing me, I got help on no. Oh, killing me, I got help on no case. Me not got a court.